Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, we'll go ahead and compare Squarespace versus WordPress. Which website builders should you choose? First things first, let's talk about their ease of use. Squarespace is an all-in-one, you drag, drop, and publish, with no coding needed. WordPress is more flexible but has a learning curve. You'll need hosting, themes, and possibly plugins. And so with the design and templates, Squarespace offers sleek, modern templates that are ready to go. WordPress has thousands of themes, some great, some not. Customization depends on your tools and skills. From there, we then have flexibility. WordPress wins here. If you want forums, e-commerce, memberships, or custom apps, it can do almost anything. Squarespace is great for portfolios, blogs, and small businesses, but less extendable. Now for cost, Squarespace has set pricing around $16 to $50 a month. Now, WordPress is technically free, but expect to pay for hosting, themes, and plugins. Now you want to choose Squarespace for simplicity and speed. You want to pick WordPress if you want full control and are okay with a little setup work. So if this review or comparison has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.